Hello everyone, welcome back Paramedical Career Academy. Today I am going to continue with 5000 MCQ series for CHO. Actually this questions is also helpful for sanitary inspector examinations. So let's begin with unit 6, that is biomedical waste management and infection control. Question number 1 is 4 color codes for bag in BMW are option A is yellow, red, green and blue, option B red, blue, white and black, option C yellow, red, blue, black, option D is yellow, red, white and blue. So the correct answer is option D, that is yellow, red, white and blue. Question number 2 is in BMW human anatomical waste should be segregated in dash. Option A is yellow, option B red, option C is black and option D is blue. So the correct answer is option A, that is yellow. Question number 3 is waste generated from disposal items such as tubing, bottles, IV tubes and sets catheters should be segregated in dash. Option A is yellow, option B red, option C white and option D is blue. So the correct answer is option B, that is red. Question number 4 is epidemiological triad constitutes of dash. Option A is agent, host and environment, option B is agent and host, option C microbes and environment and option D is none of the above. So the correct answer is option A, that is agent, host and environment. Question number 5 is dash is an example of nosocomial infection except. Option A is urinary tract infection, option B is irritable bowel syndrome, option C is hepatitis C and option D is hepatitis B. So the correct answer is option B, that is irritable bowel syndrome. Question number 6 is the color of bag in which the infectious solid wastes are disposed. Option A red, option B black, option C blue, option D yellow. So the correct answer is option D, that is yellow. Question number 7 is majority of waste produced in healthcare facilities is dash. Option A is chemical and pharmaceutical waste. Option B is radioactive, cytotoxic and heavy metals. Option C is sharps and option D is non-hazardous waste. So the correct answer is option D, that is non-hazardous waste. Question number 8 is in BMW needles and syringe which fixed needle scalpels should be segregated in dash. Option A is yellow, option B red, option C white and option D is blue. So the correct answer is option C, that is white. Question number 9 is infectious control committee is located in general hospital at the dash. Option A is district level and the above, option B is state level, option C CSC level and above, option D is none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, that is CSC level and above. Question number 10 is infectious control committee includes dash. Option A is infectious control practitioners, option B quality assurance officer, option C is medical superintendents and nursing superintendents, option D is all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 11 is maintain all record for operational and incineration autoclaving for a period of option A 5 years, option B 3 years, option C 2 years and option D 10 years. So the correct answer is 5 years. Question number 12 is symbol of biohazards, option A, B, C and D. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 13 is biomedical waste management and handling rule under the Environment and Protection Act 1986 was launched in option A 1990, option 2 1986, option 3 1995, option D is 1998. So the correct answer is 1998. Question number 14 is major source of biomedical waste includes except. Option A is immunization sites, option 2 blood banks, option C nursing homes, option D is first aid in schools. So the correct answer is option D, that is first aid in schools. Question number 15 is BMW Management Rules 2016 Schedule 1 describes option A is biomedical waste categories and their segregation, collection, treatment, processing and disposal options. Option B, standard for treatment and disposal of biomedical waste. Option C, list of prescribed authorities and the corresponding duties. Option D is label for biomedical waste containers or bags, or label for transporting biomedical waste bags or containers. So the correct answer is option A. Biomedical waste categories and their segregation, collection, treatment, processing and disposal options. Question number 16 is BMW Management Rules 2016 Schedule 2 describes option A is biomedical waste category and their segregation, collection, treatment, processing and disposal options. Option 2 is standards for treatment and disposal of biomedical waste. Option C is list of prescribed authorities and the corresponding duties. Option D is label for biomedical waste containers or bag, label of transporting biomedical waste bags or containers. So the correct answer is option B, that is standard for treatment and disposal of biomedical waste. Question number 17 is treatment options for yellow category biomedical waste are option A autoclaving, option 2 encapsulation, option C is incineration or deep burial, option D is hypochlorite treatment. So the correct answer is incineration or deep burial. Question number 18 is education and training of infection control team should include. Option A is organize regular training program for staff for essential infection control practices. Option B, provide periodic retraining or orientation of staff. Option C is review the impact of training, and option D is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 19 is discarded and contaminated glass includes medicine vials and ampoules except cytotoxic. Cytotoxic waste should be placed in which container? Option A yellow, option B blue, option C red, option D white. So the correct answer is option B, that is blue. Question number 20 is causative microorganism of nosocomial infection are. Option A is Staphylococcus aureus bacteria, option B is enterovirus, option C is aspergillus, and option D is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please like, share, subscribe this channel, and please keep watching. Thank you so much.